Okay, so we want to create a project now in Quantity Takeoff. If I double click on this, the product starts, and what I want to do is give it some settings that I'm going to work with. So I'm going to say create a new project. Let's call this Zimmerman House. Where am I going to keep my QTO projects? I've got a sample folder up here, and I'll put them in the QTO folder. So the next step is that this is like a 4-step procedure. My next step is to come in and say what type of units am I working with. I can choose imperial metric, what kind of currency. I'm just going to leave it as US dollars. Next, catalog. This is an important choice for you, is the Uniformat or Construction Specification Institute. I'm going to pick on the Uniformat. It's kind of suitable for more for conceptual modeling at an early stage. But what this is going to do is give me a structure for the data that I'm going to have in my catalog. If I then say I want to add the drawings, so I'm down to the next step. I'm going to say add, and the one that we just saved out was the main elements that I created from my Revit drawing. So now I'm ready to bring that in. I can use, I'll show you later, I can add other files later, but right now I'm just bringing in that 3-dimensional data, and I'll say close, and I'm ready to go. So it's going to show me the building in the context of the Quantity Takeoff product. There's my structure for organizing my data, and I'm going to say OK, and there's my building. And notice the similarity with other products, that I've got my view cube, I've got my navigation options here. Let's say center around there. Let's say something like orbit, just so you can see that I've got the same controls in QTO that I have in AutoCAD and Inventor and Revit Architecture and Showcase and 3D Studio Max. I'm ready to roll.